Hey everyone, for today's video in my wedding series, I'll be showing you how I did my centerpieces as well as the garland for the head table. So it's just a very easy DIY. And the thing about it is I knew that I wanted to do faux flowers because it was just more cost effective since I was on a budget. However, even renting faux flowers can be pretty expensive. So for example, for the centerpieces for just one, it was about $50 when I got the quote. And then for a garland that was 6 feet, that was about $75. And then with the prices that I was able to do it at, for $75, I was able to get it to be about $25. And then for the centerpiece, instead of $50, I was able to get it for about $7 or even $10 at the most. So you can see that there was a big savings there. And Michaels has some really nice flowers, but I did want to say, of course, they are going to be more on the expensive side, but I would say to make sure to check out when they have sales. Sometimes they have 50% off or buy one, get one free, or 40% off. So always just check out to see what sales that they have going on. And I just want to show you a comparison just to see if you can see the difference. So with these flowers here, hopefully it's not too washed out. One is from Dollar Tree and one is from Michaels. And let me know if you think it's the one on the left or the right. And this is the one that's from Michaels. And this is from Dollar Tree. So honestly, they look very similar and it's a pretty big difference in price. So just for this one, this is $14.99 regular price. And then with this is actually 3 separate ones. And for one, it is either $125 or $150. And this comes with 6 roses. So that's a really good value. And honestly, they have such a wide selection and variety at Dollar Tree. So I would definitely recommend checking them out. And as you'll see in the video, you get to see all the different flowers that I was able to get from there. So what I ended up doing was getting some flowers from Michael. So basically like the greenery, so like the eucalyptus and other flowers as well. And then I mixed them in with the Dollar Tree ones. And there are other places that have really nice flowers as well. Shein, Link's Moment, and lots of other places. So I would definitely recommend doing your research and seeing what's out there, because if you rent it, it might actually be a lot more than if you were to DIY it. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video to be helpful and just keep watching to see how I made these arrangements. So the first thing that I did was I made different piles with the flowers, and then I just made sure to give each of the piles kind of a similar amount of the different items that I had. So for example, I have some bigger flowers and then I have some smaller flowers. So I made sure that each of the sets had bigger and smaller flowers as well as greenery. So I have some eucalyptus, and I'm not sure what type of greenery this is, but I just made sure that it was kind of equal so that it looked nice and balanced, not having too many small flowers or not having too many big flowers. I just made sure that it was a mix. So that's how this set looks. And with this one specifically, I have one from Shein. So with this little arrangement, it actually comes with a good variety of different flowers, but basically that's what I'm trying to do with each of the sets. I'm trying to make sure to mix in bigger flowers and some greenery and some smaller flowers as well. And then once I make sure that each of them are equal, then that arrangement is pretty much good to go, and I can just tie it with the floral tape. The vases that I'm using are from Value Village and Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use this style of vase so that you can't see that there's no water in there, and also so that the stems and the floral tape is not too visible. And then you could put the flowers in and adjust them to your liking, and you can also take it a step further by spreading out the stems and adding in each bunch and then making sure that it's nicely mixed together. that's it for my video today, and I hope you found it to be helpful. And if you're deciding to get crafty as well, then let me know what DIY that you'll be doing for your wedding. And if you want any more information, then just check the description box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!